Sanibonani-ke bafowethu. Nayo ividiyo yami yokuqala bafowethu engizoyishaya nje kule channel-ke. This one is specifically for u-YouTube bafowethu. Kwabangangazi-ke bafowethu, nguLumkile Zinyanga, ibhakaniya elihle bafowethu laphana kakhulu. Ngizo-introduce-ke le segment bafowethu esizoyishaya nje every Thursday. La sithini khona sithi remember your legend. Yabona as nami isikhathi sihamba bafowethu andikade nami ngaba umlandeli webhola ngahamba ngasibona bafowethu isikhala sokuthi sikwazi ukuthi sikhumbule ama-legend ethu. We know ukuthi njengamanje we have iy'ngane ey'ningi bafowethu ezizalwe ngo-2010 2015 yabona ezinye nje nabo abasebancane abanye abazalwe ngo-2020 abano-6 years abalithandayo ibhola but uthola ukuthi ulwazi alukho olunye online ukuthi bangaluthola kuphi. So-ke manje sithi la ku-remember your legend sizowalanda ama-legend one by one. So namhlanje-ke bafowethu my legend enginayo bafowethu ngiyilanda lapha kwi-Bloemfontein Celtic bafowethu uMoses Nathan Sipandile. Bayamazi uSipandile bafowethu amaningi abasebe bajeze esandleni zakhe njengoba simazi ukuthi even nane-nickname yakhe ithini ithi let make them dance. Awuhlezi uzodansa-ke lapha, awuhlezi uzodansa bafowethu. He was a gem ukuthi simbone bafowethu uSipandile edlala ibhola. Saba nenhlanhla kakhulu noma sasingayi-support iCeltic sasi-support iPirates but siyawazi bafowethu lawo magame uthola ukuthi nathi we suffered ezandleni zakhe. So-ke manje ubani-ke bafowethu uMoses Sipandile. uMoses Sipandile njengoba-ke igama ngicabanga ukuthi vele liyazisho bafowethu. Wazalelwa laphana eNorth West eKlerksdorp bafowethu 31 May 1980. Ngicabanga una-46 years kulo nyaka bafowethu and upresentile bafowethu ebholeni. Usipresente kahle kakhulu ebholeni and wayipresenta futhi iBloemfontein Celtic okuyithimu bafowethu lana edlale khona more than 10 years. Siyazi-ke nabo ukuthi ama-players amaningi kuke kuthiwe you are not a success mhlawumbe uma ukuthi uze wa-retire ethimini abayiconsider ngokuthi incane but-ke siyazi ukuthi uSipandile afika ama-offer bafowethu efika eqhamuka kubona uPirates eqhamuka kubona uSundowns but wawa-rejecta wathi mina I'm always green inside. So-ke manje kwi-career yakhe-ke bafowethu upromothwe nini? Upromothwe ngo-2000. Ipromothwa kwi-reserve laphana yayo iBloemfontein Celtic eqala eza kwisigaba lesokuthi usezodlala-ke manje for i-first team bafowethu and akaphindanga futhi abheke emumva. Ama-position abewadlala ubedlala i-attacking midfielder aphinde futhi adlale as a centre forward. Siyabazi-ke bafowethu khona ngisho ezinye nje izinto ey'ke zaduma ngaye ne-combination yakhe noKlenboy Typos bafowethu ngoba babenqoma kakhulu laba bantu. Because siyamkhumbula ukuthi uTypos wayevele afike ibambe bafowethu la esiswini awadonse wonke ama-defender avela keep it through pass ayikhiphela uSipandile. So-ke yaduma kakhulu-ke bafowethu that combination enye nje ama-combination eyaduma in South African football. Then-ke ama-achievement-ke bafowethu anawo uSipandile because njengoba sisho ukuthi udlale kwi-Celtic for more than 10 years. Kuningi bafowethu aku-achievile ne-Celtic but siyazi ukuthi iCeltic ayisiyithimi ewina kakhulu but he managed ukuthi awine i-SAA Super 8 njengamanje ngicabanga ukuthi sibizwa nge-MTN 8. Then baphinde futhi wawina ne-Telkom knockout labashaya khona iSundowns kuma-final ngo-2012. Then-ke khona-ke ama-unofficially cups like aboma-Charity Cup nakhona futhi bayiwina abafowethu i-Telkom Charity Cup which was a one-day event la ayevotelwa khona ama-team ayezongena kulaba abangakwazanga mhlawumbe ukuthi bayibone ngoba kwakuba i-pre-season tournament leyo kuvotwe bafowethu la sasikwazi ukubona khona-ke ama-fans enza njengoba i-Black Label nayo yaphinde yasithatha leso strategy yagcina sisebenzisa. Kuyi-strategy-ke bafowethu esidala lesi so yayijwayele ukungena nayo iBloemfontein Celtic because siyakhumbula ukuthi ama-team ayehlezi u-showcase kuyona i-Charity Cup kwakufike kube i-Kaizer Chiefs yayijwayele ukunishaya number 1 ngoba siyawazi ukuthi olamthuthu bakhuluma kangakanani. So bayavota-ke futhi bayavota. So-ke manje yayihlezi i-Kaizer Chiefs vele izoba u-number 1 ilandelwe iyona i-Orlando Pirates kuze iMamelodi Sundowns. Yayingena-ke nayo iCeltic bafowethu ayibuyisha iSundowns kwezinye cause siyabazi ukuthi iPunya sele yayinama-fans amaningi kanjani. So-ke i-memorable run-ke bafowethu kaSipandile bafowethu iqhamuka laphana kuyona i-SAA Super 8 lena abayowina for iBloemfontein Celtic ngo-2005. Lana esababona khona bafowethu befike beshaya iKaizer Chiefs athi nje baqala ngeKaizer Chiefs because vele kujwayele ukuba amagame amathathu lawa because safana futhi format yakhona neformat lena ye-MTN 8 so ke laphana bafike kuma quarter final bashaya iKaizer Chiefs bafethu ngo 2-1 and lapho siyamkhumbula even ngisho siyabonga Nkosi bafethu ukuthi bayenzani laphana ngicabanga ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs emva kwalapho kwahamba futhi yagcina simthengile siyabonga Nkosi wasakhona no Robson Kilambeke lapho bafowethu kwaba ngasakhumbuli emumva kukhona oThabo Ntethe laphana John Maduka bafowethu James Madidilana bafowethu ngababala ngingaze ngishonelena ngoba phela sisakhumbule ngathi izolo bafowethu noma kuyinto nje kade yenzeka then bathi uma sebeqedile ke bafowethu ukudla iKaizer Chiefs bamova beza kuma semi final bafike bakuthela uswazi eBhakaniya bafike bakuthela uswazi eBhakaniya ngangikhala ke that day but ke bafowethu sasidliwe futhi abantu abangcona yikho into esasingayenza and then baya ke kuma final emva kwalapho bafowethu la bafike bashaya khona iSuper Sport United engicabanga ukuthi nakhona lapho futhi kwakona khona yena uRobson Kilambe ngiyakhumbula ukuthi okhosini sasithi uma sivuka kwanginengoma esiculo kuthiwa weselesele wadla mpofana wawabeka ethalo wathi ususuka wathi bhaka Super Sport bhaka Super Sport ababejwayele ukulalela ezomdlalo kokhosini bayazi bafethu because ongekho social media ngaleza ikhathi yatrenda kakhulu bafethu yatrenda kakhulu and yalidedela bafethu iCeltic uswazi laphana bathathwa abadlali abaningi oRobson Kilambe bahamba bona oThabo Ntethe uJohn Maduka ayiwahlala yena nje kodwa nje bahamba abafowethu abaningi basalo Sipandile kodwa bayibamba kuyona iCeltic yathi noma isinenkinga zeimali babeqhubeka bafethu behlala so ke manje uSipandile namhlanje bafethu is my legend because ngiyafisa ngazi ukuthi nabanye abadlali bafethu bangakwazi ukuthi babukele kubantu abanjengoSipandile abantu ababedlalela ibadge bafethu it wasn't only just about money nabo bengakwazi ukuthi bajahe imali elsewhere but abayijahanga imali kwenzani emva kwalokho bakhetha khona bafethu ukuthi baba ama legend so ke nje big up to Sipandile bafethu big up to Sipandile utheke sebedle Sundowns ke kwi Telkom knockout final ubengaseyisiyeke umuntu obesayi regular ngale ndlela ngoba ubesemdala phela bafethu even nangaso leso sikhathi naye but ke siyamhlonipha kakhulu esithi shout out ama legend ethu bafethu ufuneka siwavume khona esaphila so ke nawe ke ngicela ukuthi ucomment lapho ngezansi usho mhlawumbe ukuthi iliphi legend ongathanda ukuthi bafethu ngilikhave ngoba njengoba ngikhuluma nje nama video vele azovela nezithombe la ezansi ukukhombisa ngempela ukuthi ngakanani amagalelo bafethu awenza so siwakhumbula wonke ama legend bafethu sokhumbula saphila siphinde sikhumbule futhi nangasekho cela ke futhi subscribe bafethu yebo subscribe let's keep the conversation going bafethu getting ready for season because siyazi ukuthi le season nayo futhi it's going to be a memorable one lumke lezinyanga bafethu sengihamba kanje 1 minute